Hey everyone, my name is Victor Dwyer, and today on the Amazon Directly, we are going to remove Unbounce, a landing page builder where you can send traffic to your website or to Amazon, and we're going to go the best ways and the best strategies to do that. Let's dive right in. So I'm going to go ahead and move myself up here this time for the video, and then let's go ahead and dive into Unbounce. So I call this the Amazon AI landing page builder. This doesn't necessarily need to be Amazon, but you can do this within your website. Usually we see from anywhere between a 10 to 30% increase in conversions by just having a landing page. Whether if you send them to Amazon or ready to your e-commerce page, we highly recommend having a landing page. You're going to get better results just overall by having that. So please build a landing page before then. Unbounce makes it very easy, so shouldn't be any issue with that. So let's kind of dive into what the reporting looks like. So this page has a lot of visitors and a lot of conversions. Each of these conversions up here is actually a purchase. So you're able to set some really cool conversion goals on this, and we have a really good conversion rate for this landing page. So this is kind of the way it looks. And I'm going to minimize myself a little bit here so that way you can see the chart. But we're going to be able to see what variants are going to be working the best, which ones aren't, and they do a really good job with the A/B testing feature. So right now we're A/B testing this, so we're seeing which one is winning. We're going to be testing out which one is winning the best, because these have two different variants. But what's really cool about Unbounce is it has this smart traffic feature, so you can actually send this traffic to based off what's working the best. And rather than like someone like you always have to being in this page every day and saying, okay, which variant is working today, the Unbounce's AI will automatically guide to the traffic that's going to be converting the best for that particular day, for that particular hour, or compared to that typical source, whether it's Facebook, Google, whatever it may be, and it will optimize based off those different data points. So super cool, and that's one of the main reasons why I love Unbounce. And you are able to get that sophisticated tracking capability for a very cheap cost. So highly recommend the smart traffic feature, and you're able to easily see which one's working, which one's not, and you're able to get that conversion data pretty easily. Cool. And the builder is pretty dang easy to work off of as well. And you're able to see like, okay, which one's working, which one you're able to easily build this out and really see which one is the best suited. The builder is very easy to work with. It looks very complicated, but very visual builder, very easy. If you've built websites, it's very easy to build. Um, so, yep, very easy, and they have millions of templates that you can use. So, highly recommend using going off the templates. And then going off to like what this page kind of looks like. So this is a page that we built for Amazon Prime Day. We said get 20% off our sample pack, and we basically this button would go to Amazon to purchase, and from there they'll be able to enter a code and purchase it. This is an Amazon attribution link. We put the Amazon attribution link and see what happens from there. And then um, this was I put that in there to hide things. Don't worry about it. And from there, it's just a simple attribution link, and from there, Prime Day deals would basically go through this link, and you'd be able to see which one, how many purchases you get off of that, and things like that. And it's very easy to track this through Amazon attribution, but this is a typical landing page that we would build. I've hidden a lot of things, unfortunately, but this is a typical landing page that I would build for sending traffic to Amazon with an Amazon attribution link that you can track all the sales. So you can spend, let's say, $10,000 on Facebook ads, and you saw, okay, I got $20,000 back, which is a 2 ROAS. So you'll be able to see those type of results through this Amazon attribution link that you see right here. This is buy now on Amazon, which is pretty accurate. It's highly debated on the Amazon attribution link of how the accuracy of it, but it's for me, I think it's pretty accurate. And that's basically it for the most part. Like yeah, like it has a lot of really good capabilities. Unbounce has a lot of really neat things that it does. The landing page builder is pretty easy. Sometimes they're restricted capabilities as every landing page builder has. Um, and they recently added UTM tracking features, so you actually get this now. So basically what I'm saying is highly recommend the tool. There's a lot of really good capabilities that you can utilize in here, and very good for sending traffic. So I highly recommend it. Thanks.